Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you step by step how to knit this oversized sweater using Nova yarn by the Wool Catcher. The sweater is soft, airy, very stretchy, and has beautiful voluminous sleeves. For this project you'll need 5 skeins of Nova yarn and 12mm circular needles, an 80cm cable for the body, and a 60cm cable for the sleeves. Let's begin. Cast on 104 stitches. Join to work in the round, making sure the stitches are not twisted. Place a marker for the beginning of the round. Work a K1, P1 rib for 6 rounds. This will create a soft elastic edge at the bottom of the sweater. After the ribbing, switch to stockinette stitch by knitting every round. Work 30 rounds in stockinette. At this point, the body should measure about 38 centimeters, from the cast-on edge to the armhole. If you prefer a longer sweater, simply add a few more rounds here. Now divide the work. 52 stitches for the back, 52 stitches for the front. From this point, we work back and forth in rows. Knit the back flat for 24 rows. On right side rows, knit all stitches. On wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Remember to slip the first stitch of every row and purl the last stitch to create clean edges. After 24 rows, bind off loosely. Begin the front and shape the neckline. Work 4 rows flat without shaping, then place a marker in the center, separating the front into 2 equal parts, 26 stitches each. You can cross the 2 center stitches once to prevent a small hole at the neckline. Right side of the front. Now we shape the V-neck. On every right side odd row, rows 5, 7, 9, and so on, make a decrease near the neckline by knitting 2 stitches together with a right-leaning decrease. Wrong side rows are purled without decreases. Continue until you have 16 stitches left. Bind off loosely. Attach yarn at the center and repeat the same process. This time use left-leaning decreases to mirror the shape. Again, continue until 16 stitches remain, then bind off loosely. Sew the shoulder seams using mattress stitch for a smooth, nearly invisible finish. Pick up 52 stitches evenly around the armhole and join to work in the round. Knit 2 rounds. Now begin shaping. Increase 1 stitch at the beginning of the round every 3rd round until you reach 62 stitches. This creates the sleeve volume. Then start decreasing. 1 stitch every 3rd round until you are back to 52 stitches. Work 3 more rounds without shaping. Now fold the sleeve inward toward the wrong side. Fold it in half and sew it to the inside of the armhole. This creates the dramatic sculptural sleeve shape. Repeat exactly the same steps for the second sleeve, mirroring the increases and decreases so the sleeves match perfectly. Lightly steam the sweater through a cotton cloth. Do not press, just let the steam relax the stitches, and your sweater is finished. If you'd like to knit this sweater yourself, you can find the full detailed pattern and the Nova yarn at thewoolcatcher.com. Thank you for watching and happy knitting.